Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all to make crushed chilies pickle, a very quick recipe. I've got my chilies. This is what I did. I clipped off the ends of the stem. I washed it and I laid it to dry off. And I also got 6 big cloves of garlic, and now we're going to show you how we're going to grind it with the help of my daughter Pranisha. And always take precaution, have your nose and mouth covered and using your gloves. Okay, that's enough.
Oops.
One more round.
Okay. A little finer, Mom?
Yes.
How's that?
Okay, this is done. We actually went 3 rounds of spin.
On a setting of about 1 on the Philips food processor.
This is the chilies that's crushed. We are using 1 kilo of chilies, and this is how rough it's crushed. But if you want it smoother, you can adjust to make a sauce. So I got my pan on. I'm going to go through my ingredients. We need half a cup of oil, half a cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of pickle masala, a tablespoon of pure chili powder, a teaspoon of fine salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. First you add in your oil into your heated saucepan. You have to work very carefully. Let our oil heat up properly. You have to start using a very low heat, otherwise you get an explosion with chilies.
Because the chili has water in it, so it's moist. So
first we add in our pickle masala and our pure chili powder. Must let your masala cook out for a minute and lower your heat, and then gently pour in your crushed chilies. You see the heat is quite low, because if you have your heat high, your chilies is automatically busted. It's dangerous. So you fry out. You're going to go very fast, stirring. It's not something that's going to be cooked out fully. Thereafter, together your salt and your sugar. You can adjust your salt. Now that you can hear the chilies is frying, as I said, it's not something to be cooked out. So slowly we add in our half a cup of vinegar. thereafter you rise your heat, because our vinegar must dry off. Now that the vinegar is dried up, it's ready for serving. We normally use the crushed chilies with the khichdi, beans curry. It goes very well with your veggies. But today, I'm going to show you, we actually use it on fried patties to give a little hot chili taste. There you go, enjoy. Now that the chilies has cooled down completely and the oil, it sucked up all the oil within, it looks very dry. This is what we're going to do. To preserve it for a longer period, I'm going to add another cup of oil. Not boiled oil, oil from your gallon. Mix your chilies well. If you feel you need more oil to it, you can add a little more, so it will have a longer life in your fridge. And now I'm going to stir it well and pack it up in my container and leave in the fridge. Thank you very much for watching.